said truth or dare, she said dare, he said why. She said 'cause the truth is something I'd rather hide. I don't think you'd understand how I feel inside. I am just a girl, and a girl is always fine. She always says that she's fine just before she disappears, acting like she doesn't feel, 'cause it's the feelings that she fears. Broken once and broken twice, she's been let down by her peers. Shame on you, then shame is mine. Who gets the shame when it's been years? She'd been pretty since the day that her body met her soul. That's a blessing, some would say. A different story would unfold. She's been treated like she's prey, like an item to be sold. It's hard to know who's really safe when your body is the goal. And her eyes don't lie, they tell all of her secrets. She wish she could keep them, but her heart's on her sleeve. And although she tries to hide all of the pieces, those clothes can still see it's pulling hard at her seams. She looks so pretty, put together, but her eyes give her away, like a sundress when the weather keeps on pouring down with rain. And she's got good at just pretending that everything's okay, because she knows she's on her own, and that's the only thing that stays the same. She feels the weight of everything about to break, but you won't see what's underneath. Hide all the pain, 'cause they won't understand a thing anyway. And her eyes don't lie, they tell all of her secrets. She wish she could keep them, but her heart's on her sleeve. And although she tries to hide all of the pieces, those clothes can still see it's pulling hard at her seams. She gives and she gives just to get nothing back. Tells herself it's okay, she doesn't need any of that. But she knows deep inside it'd be nice to feel seen, to know that maybe one day she could be someone's everything. She's had pain and she's seen lust, but she needs love and she needs trust. Like blood from a vein, she gives too much just to try to feel enough, just to try to feel the love. Love yourself before someone. Babe, you've been picking all the wrong ones. Time to pick yourself for once. She just wants to be enough, so she gives herself away. But when she's finally done, there's no love left for her to claim. She knows how to heal others, but can't seem to heal herself. She'll keep giving out her pieces till she's nothing but a shell. And she's soft with everyone except for herself. You couldn't tell that just underneath the surface is hell, as she laughs through the pain. Only way to stay sane, a perfect picture held together by a broken frame. But in her story there is hope, dreams of everything she wants. A life of meaning, a life of love, a life where she's every bit enough. I found her once, I'll find her twice. I'll search and search in every life, 'cause we belong together. And I will know your heart as mine. And we will be so intertwined, and you will see no longer blind, that you deserve a life that's better, that you are perfectly designed. And I will hold your hand in mine, and we will walk right through this life. And you'll do more than just survive, and you'll be so much more than fine.
Forever entwined through time with you.
It's hard, but with you it's better. Finding rainbows through the stormy weather. And I'll keep on finding you through every life, through every timeline. I'm yours and you'll always be mine. It's just how we're both designed. Baby, I'd die for you. Give all of my life, I'd fight for you. Forever entwined through time with you. And in the next life I'll find you, I'll find you. Slow dance with me in the moonlight, to watch our stars collide across the sky. And our love is a ripple through time, reaching every corner you could hide. You are the blood in my veins, baby, you save me. The oxygen in the air that I'm inhaling. You feed something inside that I've been craving. When everything was black and white, you became my painting. This is a dream then, I don't wanna wake up. Leave me in the coma where I can see your face smile. Nothing is forever, that's just what they say. Cause nothing in forever could ever replace us. Cross my heart and hope to die. I will never leave your side. Through your window you will find me standing, waiting on the other side. Baby, let's burn through this life like two twin flames, yeah. A love that won't ever die, won't ever change, yeah. Our embers float through the sky in different shapes, yeah. Look closer and you will find they spell our names, yeah. I would